In this video, we go to fix the Valorant shadow code Wi-Fi. The game has lost connection. So for this, you need to go to open the real client and go to the settings and click the Valorant settings and click repair option. Click the repair option and start repairing. And after completing, you get the your game is up to date and there is no error. So after that, you need to go Windows Defender 5.1, click it and click the allow an app of users to Windows Defender and click change settings. And here you need to check for Valorant and Riot game. It should be in private and public mode. It should be in enable. So here you can see the Valorant and Riot game is that. So if not available means you need to go to allow another app and browse it. So for easy method I'm telling, right click the application and go to open file location and copy the address and browse it and paste the address here. You can easily get the paste address and you can easily get the software and add it. So I already have, so it should be in private and public mode, make sure. And after that, right click it and go to properties and go to compatibility and check the disable full screen option should be disabled and only one option should be in enable, that is run as administrative. And after, you need to go to system information, click it, and here you can check the RAM, how many free space are available. Need to check that. So install RAM is 16 GB, but the free space only we have only 2 GB, around 1.92 GB. So that's the issue. So you can, for this you need to go task manager and you need to go to startup apps and disable the, if you have more than n number of apps startup, you have problem. So you need to enable only real client and Vanguard tray, and the remaining all the high performance apps should be in disable mode. Okay, if you have n number of games, you need to disable it. And after that, you need to go for system configuration. Click the system configuration and here you can go to services and hide all Microsoft services and disable all and apply and click OK. And after that, you need to restart it. All the things complete after, click restart. Thank you.